It is. What's the story with that? smack it around a little bit, so after a while. Yeah, that's what it is. Absolutely not.
That's when you like my flannel?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, you like it when smack it around.
He's better. Very helpful.
So you like it when smack it. You want to keep going with that one? You want to ride this one instead?
Oh, fine.
You sure? I think there might be something wrong with yours. I think I just take it.
Fine. I have 103 left in gas.
Come on, hold the key.
Yeah.
Two left. Unlike your judgment things.
What are you talking about? What?
Stick on the car here. Stick it on the car.
Unwand your judgment, Andy. Nice.
Ooh, that bike is hot.
Yeah.
This GoPro has been frozen on a screen since Wyoming.
Oh.
Really?
I tried shutting it off and turning it back on, shutting it off, turning it back on in between recording. The heat must have got to it because yeah, it's showing the same screen on it.
Oh.
So I'm like, well, hopefully the footage is still on it. Kind of make a song out of that. Hey, there's a penny on the ground. Vehicle's coming. And of course one has to come all the way over. I see it. Did you say you stink nice?
My daddy always told me.
Funny.
Stink nice, so all the fucking like me.
Is this?
Nice daddy.
This must be a fairly new facility.
Been there for a long time.
Has it? Looks fairly new, but
What are you doing?
Cooling circles.
Oh, babe, are you okay? Why?
Couldn't get it to go off.
No.
Oh. Hey, TWOWHEELD friends, just had an awesome day of riding the hills. Did a lot of filming, not much for audio, just with the wind, cameras having issues due to the heat. Some areas we could feel it was probably about 100 degrees. Other areas were nice and cool. Just kind of depended on what side of the hills we were on, it seemed like. But we got the bikes all in the garage for the night. And we're gonna relax a little. I don't even know how many miles we did today. We did at least a couple hundred miles, like 250, I'm guessing. And tomorrow we are gonna run and do Iron Mountain Road. We're gonna hit Devil's Tower and Spearfish Canyon on the way back. So that's gonna be a busy day too. So thanks for coming along, and we will catch you when we turn on again the next time. And there's Mrs. TWOWHEELD coming in. How was your day?
I'm hot.
Riding the hills, riding all the curves?
It was a little stressful.
Yeah. It was fun.
For him.
Takes a lot of concentration, a lot of focus.
My head hurts. I feel like I just took like a calculus exam.
She did great.
I got ditched.
Yeah, that's a long story. We don't need to talk about that here because there was some things involved in Mexico, so.
Some people wanted to go fast.
Yeah. Who's she looking at? Anyways, we'll see you when we turn on again. Peace.